G'day guys and girls, welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to be using the Autoglym Polar Blast. This is a pre-wash snow foam, so a lot of people do ask, can you use these as a standalone touchless wash? Generally the answer is no. If you've just got a bit of dirt on your car, like a little bit of dust sitting on your car, and the car's generally not that dirty, then you can get away with being sort of happy with it. But it's a pre-wash, it's not a standalone one product miracle wash. What I have found, it is very thick if you use a decent pressure washer. I've used a couple of different pressure washers, and anything over 2000 psi seems to get pretty good results. You also need a good foam lance, so there's a lot out there. Do your research, see what other people are using. Generally the metal ones or the brass ones are going to give you the best results over the plastic ones. So to use it, you use 100 ml of Polar Blast to 500 ml of water. That's what Autoglym recommend. I actually use a little bit less than that. I generally use about 150 ml to 900 ml of water, so I get just over a litre in my bottle. And that seems to still give a really thick foam result that clings for quite a while. So having said that, let's get some in the foam lance and get it on the car. There it is, Autoglym Polar Blast. A really good snow foam, really good pre-wash. I like it. It clings to your paint for a long time. It goes on thick and it stays thick. Just make sure that you do it in the shade, because the side that I did that was in the sun, in the afternoon sun, it does tend to drip off a bit quicker, and I found myself doing a couple of applications. So cool panels in the shade and you can't go wrong. It's really thick and clingy, like a lot of celebrities. Thanks for watching.